Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, we're building this clean 3D flip hover animation in Framer without writing any single line of code. I'll share the free remix link in the description below. Feel free to use it. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a new project, go to Layers, Desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F1 on keyboard to add a frame. Set the width 300, height 400, make it layout, right click on it, create component and name it 3D flip or anything you'd like. Change the names to desktop, scroll down, add some radius 20. Inside this variant, draw a frame, width, fill, height, fill, make it layout, name it front. Let's add another frame. Inside this frame, we will upload our image. Set the width relative 100%, height relative 100%. Click here, image, paste our image, change the position type to absolute. Now let's create our button. Press T on our keyboard to add a text, paste this text, drop it here. We can't see the text, don't worry, just make it invisible. Then click here, wrap this text into a stack, set the width, fit, name it button. Click here, scroll down, change the font to Manrope, size 18, weight medium, and now click here, scroll down, add a fill color, add some padding, 12 on top, 12 on bottom, 20 on right, 20 on left, add some radius. Finally, wrap this button in a stack, name it wrapper. Click here, set the visible yes, click this wrapper again, scroll down, styles, z index, make it 1 or maybe 2. Click here, this front, distribute, int. Now click this wrapper, add some padding, maybe 40 overall. Yeah, it looks good. I added a subtle dark gradient at the bottom so the image fades out. Let's make it. Draw a frame, drop it here, position absolute, width 100%, height 100, align it center, bottom, unpin it, scroll down, fill, gradient, change the opacity to 0, click here, change the color to black like this. You can adjust it this way. Click here, scroll down, go to z index, make it 1, perfect. Next, again draw a frame, width 300, height 400, scroll down, radius 20, make it layout, name it back. Inside this, let's add our text content, but first let's fix it. Duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus D and then paste this content, width, fill, size 16, weight regular. Also make it fill. Duplicate this and paste this text. Finally, duplicate one more time. Write this text, select all, wrap them in a stack, name it text content, add some gap, maybe 20. Also, we need to add a star icon. So click here, plugins, browse all, search icon, then open any plugin you'd like. Let's open icon stack, search for star, this, insert it, change the color to this color, duplicate this 4 more times, select all of them, wrap them in a stack, name it star, reduction horizontal, align start, click here, add some padding 20, drop it here, and now select these two, wrap them in a stack, name it role and company, reduce the gap to 5 and press down arrow on your keyboard to position it at the bottom. Click here, change the position to absolute, also drop it here, position absolute. Let's arrange it like this. Now click here, scroll down, z index, remove it, select both, add a frame by pressing Ctrl Enter, name it container, unpin it again. It's time to add the 3D effect. To create a 3D environment, enable preserve 3D on the parent layer. So the parent layer is container, scroll down, transforms, preserve 3D, then apply perspective to control the depth again. and use rotate to create the flipping effect. Make it 3D. Since we will rotating the image, this setup is important. Don't worry if it feels confusing at first. It will make more sense once you see it in action. Select this to transform, rotate, enable 3D. Also add back face. Make the back face hidden. Back face controls whether the backside of layer is visible or hidden. Now create a variant. Click here, then click here. Name it 2. Click here, scroll down, set the Y value -180. Then click here, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, click, also click here, drop it here, interaction, click. We are done. Now go to home and preview your project to see if it's working or not. Yes, it's working as you can see, but we need to make some adjustment like controlling the speed. Also we need to remove this fill color as you can see. So double click on it, scroll down, remove its fill color, then click here, ease, increase the time to 1.5. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks great. Duplicate this 3 more times, then select all, add stack, name it cards, select this to add stack, name it top, direction horizontal, do the same, click here, change the fill color to black, then add text, paste our text, select it, font white, size 20, letter maybe 1 or 2, and drop it here, duplicate this, paste this text, font medium, letter 0.3, size 40, and finally add a button. We can simply copy this button and paste it here. Now wrap this in a stack, name it pre-heading and button, move it here, and then add a stack, name it wrapper, direction horizontal, width, fill, also fill, and then align start. Finally add one more stack, name it container, add some padding, top and bottom 40, right and left 20. Maybe you can change the weight to semi bold. Yeah, it looks perfect. Add some gap 20, also here 20, here 15, 15. Sometimes when you wrap a stack inside a layout, the child layer's width can accidentally get constrained, causing your content to be cut off. Exactly what happened here. Let me show you. As you can see, so we need to manually check each layer and fix it. Select all, this component, set the width, fit content, height, fit content, then click here, this top, width, fit content, scroll down, overflow, make it visible. Also do the same here, fit content, overflow, visible. Next go to these cards, again overflow, visible, scroll up, width, fit content, click these pre-headings and buttons, expand it. Yeah, it looks fine. Then click this wrapper, overflow, visible. Finally this container, and make sure to make it clip. It's already clipped. Now click this desktop, make it visible. Now let's see how it looks. No, we still have issue here. As you can see, the card is cut off. So double click on it and let's find out. Make it visible. Now go to the child layer. It's already visible. Click the front, overflow, make it clip. Also remove this fill color. As for this, it's already clipped. But as you can see, our corner radius disappeared because it needs to be applied to this layer, not the parent layer. Make it 20. Click this desktop, remove the radius. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, it looks perfect. For the final touch, we need to update this content. Go back, click here. As you can see, there is no option to update the content. Also, you can't change it directly here. If you edit one, it updates everywhere. Let me show you. This name, paste this text. As you can see, it's because these are duplicate instances of the same component. So the right approach is to use variables. Let me show you. Go back and undo it. Click here, content, click this plus, create variables, plain text, name it name, and then click here, create variables, plain text, name it review. Also for this position, finally for this company, also click here, fill, create variables, color, name it background color, so that we can update the color. Now go back and click here, and now we have the option to update the content. So let me update this content here. Let's preview to see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. Let's update the image. Click this image, fill, create variable, image, name it avatar. Finally, let's make it responsive. Click here, tablet, collapse it, expand it, then this wrapper, direction, vertical. Click here, this testimonial, width, fit content, then click here, align center. As for this, align center, we can reduce the font size to maybe 30, align it center, and add some gap, maybe 40. Click this desktop, height, fit content. Finally, for the font, click here, reduce the font to 16. As for this, 24, and then click here, this top, direction, vertical. Also for this, vertical. Now let's preview to see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. Let's see on the tablet. And finally, for the desktop, yeah, it looks good. We can add a max width to the container, 1200 pixel. Yeah, now it looks fine. I'm happy with the design, and that's pretty much it. Take some extra time to polish it and make it even better. That's pretty much it. If you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.